Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about VA editor. So in Windows, if you want to add or update anything, so we will use Notepad++. Notepad++ is a editor for Windows. Same like VA is a editor for Linux. So to see what are the options, what is the insert mode, what is the command mode, those things we will discuss today. So editors are used to adding, modifying or deleting the text. So in Windows we will, as I said, it should be Notepad++. In Dart operating system it should be edit. When it comes to Unix and Linux, there are two ways. One is CLI based, another one is GUI based. It when it comes to the CLI based, the editors are Vim, VI or Vim or ED, EX. These are the editors. When it comes to the GUI based, it's gedit, okay, nedit, nano, pic. These are the editors. VA editor is a screen-oriented text editor written in Beljoy in 1976. This is the mostly commonly used editors. Okay, so VA editor is available almost all the Linux distributions. It works same across the different platforms and different distributions in Linux Unix operating system. It's a user friendly and millions of Linux users using the VA editors. Okay, in VA editors or Vim editors, so there are different mode of operations. One is command mode, another one is insert mode. Okay, to see what is the command mode, what is the insert mode. Okay, command mode is like when you try to create a file. Okay, let me create a file using VA. The file name I'm giving sample 123 dot txt. So when you try to use this one, this is like a command mode. Okay, so in this command mode you can move the cursor. Okay, you can move the cursor and cut, you can cut the and copy and paste the text. Okay, this mode save the changes without this one you can save the changes you made this file. Okay, whatever you made in this file you can save, and you can find the words like that. If currently you are into the command mode, if you press enter, you mean to say it should be insert mode. Okay, VA insert mode. This mode you can by default you just need to press I. So then you can start, you can you are into the insert mode, you are into the insert mode. Okay, so if you want to quit that insert mode, you just need to press colon q, means it will be quit without saving. Okay, quit and dollar symbol, this symbol, so it will be quit. So if I check now ls-l, those file it doesn't have. Okay, so sample 123 file name doesn't have because we didn't save the changes, we didn't save the file. There are lot of options we can it should be available. Okay, those things we will see. Command mode operation, insert mode and ex mode, extended command mode operations. Okay, to go to the command mode. Okay, so let me create one more file using vi text dot text file I'll create. Okay, currently I am into the command mode. To get into the insert mode I need to press I. It's saying this means new file. Okay, this means unused lines. So now I'm into the insert mode, so I can start if I press I'm start inserting the text. Okay, So you can type now anything. I means insert mode. Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Linux tutorials, like that. So if you want to save now, previously we saved with without saving, we quit that one. Now if you want to save, you just need to press escape mode, so you can able to be execute mode, command mode. Okay, so you just need to give WQ and the symbol, exclamatory symbol, so it should be save. If I check now cat text file, so whatever the text we have inserted, so those text should be available. So you can use VA editor for existing files also. Suppose if I want to open existing file, so these are the content it should be available. So if I want to find anything, so I just need to use the slash symbol. If I need to find Linux, okay, so we can able to see we can able to find using slash symbol. If I press now, it should be search next word in this file. Now suppose if you want to move cursor up, okay, the command is uh, if you press K, right, the cursor is up. There is a symbols, right, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. Instead of arrows, if you press I, right, in the command mode, it should be going up. If you press K, if you press J, it should be coming down. Cursor is coming down. If you press H, right, the cursor is going to be left. If you press cursor L, it should be going right. Suppose in this file I just wanted to provide the numbers, line numbers. Okay, command is set number. So it should be provided the line numbers. Now if I need to go to line number 11, so just press 11. So cursor is coming to the 11. Now if I want to remove the numbers, just set no number. If you want to set again the numbers, just number. If you type number, it will come like this. Suppose in command mode, if I want to delete a line, suppose line number 11, I just wanted to delete. So command is, if you press double D, so it should be deleted. If I want to undo that, whatever deleted, that if I want to delete, if I want to undo that changes, just press U. So it should be undo the deleted lines. In control, in Windows, there is a control Z, right, to undo that change. So same, you just need to press U. So if you want to copy the line, for copy the command is YY. So if you press YY and if you press O, the command is goes to the down. If you press one more time, you just need to be command mode. Just need to grab and to copy that one YY, to paste that one, just give P command. So it should be pasted the same line, whatever the copied you line, so it should be pasted. If you want to redo, undo, right? If you want to redo, just command is control R. If you press control R, already newest changes. Okay, these are the new changes only. So now if you press capital G, right, the cursor is moving to the last line of the file. If you press G, it will move cursor to the last line of the file. Okay, suppose I need to find a word, I need to replace that one. Suppose there is a Linux word, so wherever Linux is there, I need to replace it with Unix. Okay, so there are many places in Linux, right? So I just need to replace that one. The command is yes, old word is Linux, new word is Unix. Percentage yes, old word is Linux, new word is Unix. I insert globally wherever Linux it should be there, it should be replaced with Unix. See, now all the places Unix. If you try to search, if you find the word Linux, you can't able to find because we just changed it to the Linux Unix. Okay, if you try to do again Linux Unix, you can able to find. Okay, Unix word is there in many places. There are many options like insert mode, command mode, and we have seen how to copy that one. Okay, if I want to delete a word, we have seen how to delete the complete word. If I want to delete a character, one second. Suppose if I want to delete a character, okay, so command is nx, so it should be deleted the characters. So if I want to delete a word, okay, so to delete the word, the command is, so if you press like this means it will come, it will find the wherever Unix word is there. Again if I want to open, and now I wanted to delete the word, command is nw. If you press nw, it will be deleted that one. See, complete one, it should be deleted. If I want to delete only, if I want to delete particular line, so if you just press that one, so it should be deleted. dd means it should be deleted, complete lines. If you want to undo, just if you press control u, just u, right, it should be get that one, whatever you deleted that one. So to delete options are X. Okay, if you want to delete the word, DW, and if you press capital D, and if you want to paste the copy and paste the YY, and to paste that one just P. Okay, there are many options are available in VAA editors. Okay, so to summarize that VAA editor, okay, So VA editor is mostly popular and commonly used editor. It is usually available all Linux distributions. So we can work in two modes. One is insert mode, another one is command mode. The command mode takes user inputs, and insert mode to edit the text. So you should use friendly, uh, user friendly in VA editors. Okay. So there are options. Those options you can use. You can edit and you can find the words. So if you want to go to down the line, if you want to end up, if you want to end up the file, so you can use the options and you can use the VA editor. That's all about in this session. Thanks for watching. Bye. So these are the options we discussed: execute mode, set number, command mode to delete the lines, and to copy the lines, to paste under redo, and to find the word. Those options we have discussed, and that's all about in this session. Thanks for watching.